Today we're gonna put these back on the Ford, or on the Ford because the older ones have to go. These are Romac Diablo 8J with 19-inch, yes, ET42 rims, and they have a matching wheel tire, the 235/35 or 1991i or something. Bridgestone Terenzas, yes, just simple Terenzas. I got now Michelin Pilot Sports on the Ford, but hey, they wear out extremely fast, so they don't add something, and it's just a daily driver. So these are perfect for all conditions, most conditions. The downside of the Michelin Pilot Sports I have on the Ford is that they are very slidey. Whenever the roads are bad, I am sliding away. That's annoying. I don't want it anymore. Hopefully the Potenzas are a little bit, Turanzas, sorry, are a little bit better. We'll see, but we're gonna put them on. We got some extra goodies, I don't know yet, but locks to avoid theft. We got, oh yeah, for the I don't know. Oh, the middle, the center cap, and some extra dinghies and some new bolts, center cap, everything we need to put them on correctly. They're already balanced, so probably the car will drive much better when these are on, because the old tires are really gone. Especially the rears are just like almost slicks. Let's get started.
Oh no, not again.
So annoying, the jack is really broken now. Old-fashioned way then. Okay guys, before we tighten them up, first impression, what do you think? Yes, we got the panel gap, but we got the new shocks over there. We're just waiting on my mechanic when he got time to put them on. I'm not gonna do that myself, but meanwhile, we already got the wheels on because the other ones were really bad. Now, in a blink of an eye, all four will be changed. And just like that, all four wheels are on, and I'm quite lucky because this one, zoom, focus, yeah, wait 1 second, I found just the way, this one, whoa, I couldn't get it off. It was jammed, but luckily we got new ones, so whew. Now we got some black caps, but I think I'm not gonna put them on. Just like these, but I think I'm gonna wait. I don't know yet. Don't know. But we are going to put on the center hubs, and then we're gonna take it for a little drive and see how she looks from a distance. This one. with this sticker. Or do you want Ford stickers? Holy cow! Those tires were really gone. This feels so much better. And it feels so much better. This car is so cool. I like it. Yeah, I hate to say it's the cheapest car you can buy. For 30,000 euros I bought it once, 2017. Brand new, limited edition Ford Focus with a 1.5 EcoSport engine. Or Eco, I don't know what it is. Standard with 180 horsepower. And a little chip tune, of course. I don't know how much he has now, I don't care. We're gonna park her over here to get some nice pictures. But I love this car. Oh, it's dark. Oh. Now we have the wheels out of the way. I have to find a new place to store all this garbage. But the good news is I finally have my touch-up paint to touch up this place part. Yeah, finally.
A few moments later.
Apparently it's too old, so we're not gonna touch up the paint. We're gonna order new touch-up paint. Yeah, that's how it goes. Welcome to Vlog Life. Whew. What a day. I wanted to do so much more. One second. I wanted to do so much more. I even wanted to drive, but now it's time for dinner. I don't think my wife's gonna let me drive her after dinner. Nah, I can't. Have to work. But at least the wheels are on the Ford. I really like it. I can't wait to get the springs on. So this thing is lowered. And I already realized I need to do something about the brake calipers. They need color. Yeah, they need color. What color should I paint them? I don't know. Tell me